Hi everyone. You may have heard about the recent changes in the Australian student visa assessment. And with regards to that, I'm here today to share some updates. Starting from March 23rd, 2024, the GS requirement, that is Genuine Student Requirement, will replace the current GTE requirement, that is Genuine Temporary Entrant Requirement, and all new student visa applications will need to meet GS requirement. This transition was announced as part of the Australian government's migration strategy in December of last year. The main aim is to ensure clarity regarding the students' genuine intentions to study in Australia, removing any confusion about migration objectives. One key change is that the applicants will no longer need to prove their sole intention of staying temporarily in Australia. This adjustment allows eligible graduates to explore post-study pathways to permanent residency, contributing to addressing skill shortages and enhancing Australia's skilled workforce. Additionally, it helps in identifying individuals whose motives for entering Australia may not align with genuine educational pursuits. The focus of the GS requirement lies in carefully assessing the sincerity of the student's intent to study in Australia. Factors such as personal circumstances, immigration history, academic progress, adherence to visa conditions, and other relevant aspects will be considered. It's important to note that while the GS requirement applies to student visas, the GTE requirement will still be applicable to student guardian visas. If you need any assistance, guidance, or any information about studying in Australia or just studying abroad in general, please feel free to reach out to us in the numbers given below in the description. Your academic journey is important to us, and we are here to support you in every step of the way.